Hey guys, we're back on a new video, and today I'm going to be showing you what I built. Come on guys. Alright guys, here it is. Let's do it.